talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your P app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for P app, or just click on search, then you add here P app. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then you come to this list here, just click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, you come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.